Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is SVG elements. SVG elements are scalable vector graphics and they are handled differently from normal HTML elements. Because SVG uses a different XML namespace, normal XPath like /SVG may not work. This one. If you write /SVG, this will not work. Selenium may not recognize SVG tags as standard HTML tags. SVG is commonly used for icons, close, menu, or delete button, charts and graphs, custom UI controls. To handle SVG in Selenium, we usually use name method, this one. And this name method is used in XPath as a function. Parent-child traversal from the normal HTML elements. So in the sample script, if you see, I am trying to locate using the SVG icon on the page. Normal XPath does not work reliably on SVG elements. So I am using name function in the XPath to locate SVG or the path tag. Now I am clicking on the SVG icon. If you see here, I am clicking on the SVG icon. So this is how we handle the SVG elements in real projects. Let me run this project and then you will be seeing whether that particular element is located and clicked. See, if you see here, it clicked. It tried to find the SVG element. So let us find the SVG element using the dev tools. We are currently in the login page. So I will go here, inspect using the dev tools. Once we find the SVG, if you see here, we are able to find the SVG element. So sign in with Microsoft account. I click on this particular button, then a new pop-up thrown. So this is how SVG elements are handled in Selenium automation. So just let me recap. SVG elements require special locator strategies, name method, that is name function method. XPath is the safest way to locate the SVG elements. Always inspect SVG structure before writing the locators. Just right now how we inspected the elements. This is the best way to inspect SVG elements before writing any locators.